In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy or sell ASTER token on AsterDEX using Trust Wallet. So first, you have to go to the official AsterDEX website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official AsterDEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now in here, inside your AsterDEX, you will have to first connect the wallet. So click on Connect Wallet, select Trust Wallet from the list over here, and then this is going to basically pop up your Trust Wallet extension over here. So if I open that again, there we go. You will have to press Connect. And then, of course, you will have to press switch to actually go to whatever chain you actually want it to go. You then have to send the request key, etc. Okay? If you want to know how to do this, just watch my video. I have a separate tutorial on this. Now, to actually buy or sell the ASTER token now, what you're going to have to do here is you can go to perpetuals, deposit, and then just deposit some actual funds on here. So we're gonna have to basically deposit on some crypto. You can then go ahead and trade for ASTER. So for example, you can do Ethereum, you can do USDT, USDC, whatever you want to do. And then whenever you have this, you'll be able to just go ahead and buy and sell over here, long or short, under the perpetuals. You'll be able to go ahead and trade with leverage or use spot trading. Now, of course, every single time you do this, make sure ASTER is selected over here, and you'll be able to buy it and sell it. Okay, so it's actually very simple. Let me just connect over to my Phantom wallet, which I do have some funds on, so I can show you how this actually works. It's the same thing if you just use your Trust Wallet, for the exception that, of course, it's Trust Wallet, it's a different wallet. So here, when I connect, okay, as you can see, I have some funds. You can then just buy or sell over here, or you can go to spot, transfer over some money like this. So I could just transfer on some ASTER and just trade it over here by going to buy or sell, and then that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.